So, as part of our school management, on the ground, how you investigate. So, we will create this projection for what we are calling the year term. As you can see, this is a 21, which is already unit procedure. So, something like how we are experiencing it and what's coming in the next decade. Right? So, that's what that is a background of what we've done. And today we are talking about the Indian coastal tourism, the coastal districts of India. But the data set that we created for entire India for all the Indian districts. And prior to this, we released a report for the Indian Himalayan. Right? So again, this is something that I actually want to show. You probably all know that I am produce daily temperature data that you can find in the website. This is very helpful. This is something that I actually picked up from yesterday's report. You can see this is the maximum temperature, right, for yesterday. And around Chennai, it's about 40, 42, right? It's pretty like hot. That the maximum temperature for Chennai was 40, 40. Right? And that's a good thing. But as we were walking around yesterday, so we decided to take a couple of pictures. So we had small instrument with us. So this was near around midday. Right? If you look at this picture and you look at the picture on the left hand side, so the picture on the left hand side is actually saying what the temperature is. And if you see the temperature of the bedroom is close to 60 or is close to 60 plus. Right? So what happens? This is the observed weather station data, it is interpolated to the results. But when it comes to microclimate, right, what you experience is hot mode, right? And then again, it's another picture, as you can see, it's again basically the 72 is it's an exhaust, so it's not an actual number. But again, it's in the 60s, that is basically, right? So that's something to give it a context because how you feel when it becomes very hot, that actually is a lot higher than what some of the larger your mapping and your projections, right? This is because in the mind. I think it's something we have looked at. We are in the midst of the crisis, and I've been doing climate change research since 2006. I have worked in both the poles. I have worked in different geography. And when I started my research around 2006, so we always used to say climate change that it is going to come, right? As if this is going to be our next generation problem. And with the higher level, the conversation there that people used to have, it's always climate change, what's going to come. Right? In this case, what's going to happen when the climate change becomes a reality. But summary for Chennai that we see from here. This is with respect to the change we're going to see with respect to our basin period. So when it comes to annual mean temperature, it's projected to reach 29.1 degrees Celsius, and the daily maximum temperature is projected to reach 30.7 degrees Celsius, with plus minus 1.5 degrees Celsius. But remember, this is the daily average daily annual mean, right? So when it comes to summer, the maximum is projected to change to 40.5 degrees Celsius, and during the winter it is projected to actually go up to 18.5 degrees Celsius. The basic minimum should be a plus minus 1.5 degrees Celsius, like with the various rates, right? So annual rainfall is projected to reach 1,321 mm.
Total rainfall during northeast monsoon is projected to reach 781 millimeter. Total rainfall during southwest monsoon is projected to reach 464 millimeter. And humidity heat stress is going to increase. The relative humidity will reach 72.7%, and like annually, and summer it is projected to reach to 83.3%. And the summer window temperature is projected to reach like about 26 degrees Celsius. And 40 degrees Celsius days are also going to reach about 9 days per year during the time period. But again, when you talk about this is an average for a 20-year period. And that 5-year average, 10-year average, as I said, it's also available in the website. You please go and check it out. And then very heavy rain for this, it's during the northwest monsoon, we also reach to about 13 days per year. That's what I wanted to say as a summary. Please go through the report. It actually summarizes the data for the social Indian districts. If you go to the web page, you can go from using the QR code, which is, or you can also Google Navigating India's Climate Future, Azim Premji University. You go to the website. For the first time in India, we are releasing the climate projection report in a public facing way. You can go to any district in India within seconds. You can download the projection in a CSV file. That's for you to look at and analyze. Thank you very much.